How to create outline in Google Docs. Hi guys, let's get started right away. Now the first thing you have to do is to be on your Google Docs, and for this I'm going to be creating a new document. Now on the left hand side of your screen, this is where your outline appears with the different headings that this document is going to have. So you want to put that in mind. Now go ahead and type in our first heading. Now you want to highlight everything you've just typed, and then you go to the top of your screen on styles. You're going to be clicking on the drop down on styles and then head over to heading 1 and apply heading 1. Now the next thing I'll do here is to type in subheadings under this heading 1. So I'll go ahead and highlight, then go to styles, click on the drop down menu and then head over to heading 2. Now because the first one was heading 1 and this is under the first topic, so it's going to be heading 2. And as you can see, if you look at the left side of your screen, it is slanted, which shows you that the heading 2 is under the heading 1. So I'll go ahead and do that for the remaining subheadings that I created. Now for this book I'll be creating, I still have subheadings under the heading 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write out these subheadings I have under heading 2. Now highlight everything and then you want to go back to styles, click on the drop down menu and then head over to heading 3, because this is under the heading 2. You can see it's slanted, which is showing you that it is under the previous heading. Now I'm on a brand new page and I want a totally different heading from all others that I've been writing, and this is a heading 1. So I'm just going to go through the regular process, finish typing in my heading, and then I'm going to highlight it, go over to styles, and then guys, I am going to be typing on heading 1. Now on the left side of your screen, you can see how arranged it is. Now this actually helps you locate a particular topic easily. And don't forget, if you don't like a particular font or a particular font size, you can go ahead and change the font and the font size. And guys, this is how easy it is to create an outline in your Google Docs. Now if this video was helpful to you, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.